Hi, this is Jonathan Morris, and today I'm going to take a quick minute to showcase a few of the websites that we built, as well as some of the features that are kind of unique to our designs and things that we really think are cool. So one of the first things is we really like the flip boxes. We try to incorporate these into a lot of our websites. We like the drop-down menus because you can get a lot of contextual, strong SEO language inside of these on your home pages. So it helps kind of rank higher. We also, we like the testimonials. We like buttons that are large and kind of pop out at you and that are high converting. And what I think is really cool, if you click on any of these buttons, we can, if you like, it is optional, we can integrate with, something like Calendly. And if you click on any of these, and let's say you've got a Monday at 2 o'clock and you confirm it, you fill out any of this information right here, it's automatically saved to our CRM. And so if you don't know what that is, that's a customer relation manager, and we can actually help you set that up. The one that we use is free, but it saves hundreds of hours in manpower. So this is our website. We're super proud of it. We think it looks, pretty cool. And this is just one of the many websites that we built. So another website that we built is Rizzo Roofing, and this one also turned out really nice. He saw a huge spike in traffic and conversions. So you'll notice that there's a singular call to action in a lot of these, and it's, yes, I want to work with Tony, give me a quote, you work with us, get a free estimate. But all of these calls to action are kind of driving you towards the one outcome, which is, converting a lead. So we kind of specialize in websites that are designed to convert your traffic. We also link directly to your Google My Business if you like. And that's powerful for search engine reasons as well. This website turned out pretty cool. This is for the vice president of Disney, and he has an international audience. He does a lot of speaking tours and keynote speaking. And so we actually created pages in Portuguese, French, and Spanish to do his entire website. And you'll notice that it's very live. It's very clean coding. Everything kind of pops out and jumps at you. The services are really well done. It goes right into a speaking reel where you can kind of get his... Let me pause that. So you can kind of get his, a feel for how he speaks. We've got his entire podcast set up on the home page, which helps him rank well. And then we've got, his testimonials, his preferred partners. And this is really cool. This is his newest book that he just released, and we were able to build an entire Clickfunnel. So if you were to buy one book or 50, the Clickfunnel is designed to just sell that book. This is a piece of content that we're super proud of. So he wanted us to kind of do a branded GIF and show where in the world he's working. And so we created this and put it on the homepage, and they absolutely love it. So they still work with us. I also want to take a quick minute to mention you can copy any of these URLs and just type them in and go into the website and do a bit of a deeper dive. We like this one a lot. So one of the things that we take the time to do is a sitemap. And so they have 25 services, but you don't want to overwhelm the user. Usually the user wants one or two, services at the most. And so the way that you do that is by using a sitemap and a heat map. And that's like the most likely places that somebody's going to click. So they do kind of hotel and bathroom renovations, this company. You'll notice that they have commercial and residential. But what's really cool, of course, we did the flip boxes here. But what's really cool is all of these pages live contextually. So these are their commercial applications. But see, all of these pages, they got 25 different services that they do. And each one has its own page in the background, which is super cool. So this is an example of a very high converting site. You'll kind of see everything drives again to that singular call to action. We've got a nice little Google map here. We've got all their social media linked. This site turned out really great, and there was a huge increase in business for most of the companies that we work with when we finish their website. So this website is Lux Homes in Orlando, and this one actually turned out pretty great as well. What we like about this website is it actually has all of the homes that are listed and automatically updated through an IDX solution, which is super cool. And then we also created pages specific to sellers, and you can actually get like a custom valuation of your home. So we have different, and we integrate everything. Like this one's with HubSpot, which is a free customer relation manager. But if you were to fill out your information here, it actually saves hundreds of hours in manpower, just because it's all integrated and done through software and artificial intelligence. It permanently captures this information, so you can never lose anything, on a pen and paper kind of thing. So this website actually turned out really cool. We find that in a lot of the About Us pages or the contact pages, if you do include a really nice photo, it kind of, people buy from people that they know and like. So if it is an option, we like to put your company history here along with some photos of a few people that work with it. If not, we can always use stock photos. But this website turned out really nice. So this is probably one of the most fun websites, and if you want to double check it, you can always go to 901innovation.com. And this is a creative, kind of, ignite, unleash the power of your team, kind of website. He's got a wonderful little, it's got but you see like the nice full screen size videos. We're able to do that even on a home page. We've got the singular call to action. With this one, we had to do some contextual coding, which just really looks nice, kind of integrates well with his personality and flow. So we take the time to, really give as much as we can. And we actually have, over here, we've got, so this is an example of a landing page, and a landing page needs to be very specific to that person. It makes you feel engaged to that person. So again, he wanted to do the calendar sync, so we click on a nice, book now button, and it takes us right to a capture page, which is pretty awesome. So you can integrate right into his calendar, which means, websites like this typically tend to convert at a higher rate, which is pretty cool. The next one that I want to show you is, this is a Clickfunnel, and this is, you can order 1 book or you can order 50 books. And this is, for Dan Cockrell, and this is a parallax effect. So see how I drag the screen and his picture and image stays still and the words kind of go above it, up and down? That's called a parallax effect. So that turned out really cool. But we designed these things with a color palette, the typography, the order flow, where the most likely places that the user's going to click, if they want to order 1 copy or 50 copies. And when you actually get into the ClickFunnel itself, it gives you a lot of options. So you can get a lot of upsells in here, which is really nice. So that's it, guys. Feel free to reach out to me. You can click on any of these buttons here on my website, and it'll book some time on my calendar. I'm happy to discuss your project or anything that you need. We can fix hacked websites. We can repair ugly ones. We can recreate your brand from the floor up. We can clean up a logo. We've got a very passionate team. So we are very fortunate to work with, some local creatives, and our team is, we really kind of operate from a place of love, not greed. So if it makes sense to talk, just click on any of these buttons, let's talk, and it'll book time on my calendar, and we can talk about your next project. So thank you, and I appreciate you.